We has an unboxing.
Yay!
Yes.
Diamond Art Club.
Yep.
Oh, something popped up on the screen.
Uh-oh. Oh, never mind. It's
Okay.
gone. It's still recording, so.
But, yeah, we ordered this about probably 2 weeks ago. And it came in the mail 3 days after we ordered it, so it was pretty fast shipping.
It wasn't 2 weeks ago. It was last weekend.
We haven't had this one. We've had this one longer than a week. She finished her Chuck Sunday.
Okay.
We got it the day before.
Okay. All right. Sorry, my brain isn't
But,
something I'd either.
Yeah. Mom ordered her some. She ordered her 3, and then I snuck one in. Haha. So let's open it.
Yes. You need to get a knife.
I got a knife.
Okay. Yeah, y'all, I'm taking a break from driving so we can record this. I went out for a little bit.
It ain't even worth driving. That's why.
Yeah, it's kind of dead tonight.
But
Thursday nights normally are hit and miss, but Thursday night is a big party night. The kids are all out partying. They're just not taking Uber anywhere tonight. They will later when they're all drunk and need to go home.
this one is a 71 by 56 square, and it does have ABs. It does have ABs.
It does have 80s.
And glow in the darks, supposedly.
Ooh. Maybe that's one of the ABs is considered a glow in the dark.
Nope.
No?
Toolkit.
Yay!
Ew. Can't see those yet.
I think they already saw it.
Who? It's got, let's see, 1 glow in the dark and 1 AB.
Oh, okay. The E is glow in the dark. Okay.
Yep, we got,
It's got 2 ABs. 150 is an AB, isn't it?
I'm not sure. We got Scaredy Cats by Jeff Haney. I love it. I had to get it because I knew if I didn't get it then I wouldn't be able to get it at all. So, thanks, Mommy. Okay, toolkit. It's a square toolkit, so you got your pen, your tweezers, two plates of wax, baggies, a squishy, and the boat. I'm not sure if there is a 4-placer in there or not. Last I checked. And they don't give you 4 or 5 baggies anymore. They did have a 4-placer.
Ooh, and it's
They give
it's
you,
one
like-
of the small flat
Yeah, they
places.
switched to the flat ones.
Oh, awesome.
They don't give you 4 or 5 anymore. They give you
A
a
handful.
decent amount. So, yep. Always shield your tweezers. They are very sharp, very pointy. They ouchie.
Yep.
Trust me, I stabbed myself a couple times with them. So, there's the toolkit. That's your standard square toolkit. Your round toolkit would come with the same minus the tweezers if you're new to Diamond Art Club.
Here's a drill.
But, on opening to the canvas, I'm so excited to get this one.
Lots
Baggie
of
of
drills.
Your how to diamond paint and your 10% off code on your next order. Very
Yep.
nice. We never use the 10% off order thing. I don't know why we don't, but
Yep.
thank you, 10. And the canvas. Ooh, it's prettier in person.
Oh, it is
I
pretty canvas.
watched who unboxed it. I don't
don't know.
remember who unboxed it. I want to say Mrs. Coffee, but I can't remember. But it's so pretty.
It's sticky.
Very sticky. Yes, she's got 46 colors. Oh, I love it.
Looks like the glow in the dark are in the.
I was gonna do that when we get to the drills. Don't
Hey.
spank me. Yeah, none in the eyes. That's weird.
Yeah.
I might fix that. But your AB, I want to say 150. I don't think 150 is an AB. I could be wrong.
Yeah, this one will be Amber's to work on.
I only need C150 in here. Anyway, let's go on to the drills. We've got 333, 310, 939, 3371. There's 3 baggies of that out. 400, 3 baggies of 400, 498, 155, 550.
Ooh, that's a pretty one. I like that one.
814. We've got another bag of 333, 327, 210, 301, 3746, 947, 666, 89,
898.
oh, AB 132.
There's your glow in the dark
There's
one.
our glow in the dark ones. 211 and 780, 3776, 938, 818, 150 is not AB. So anything under 150.
Okay.
And 355 and 3830 on that one. On this one you got 606, 823, 3713, 312, 3826, 740, 209, 728, 961, 600, 3350, 3733. Little bit of
Are those?
3855. Those are not ABs.
Okay. From my angle, the light was hitting it the right way that they were really sparkly.
797, 799, 783, 336, 208, 782, and 307. So the glow in the darks go, they'll be in his eyes here, in his nose, and his mouth. Everywhere else, it's just yellow.
Yep.
But I might put glow in the dark in their eyes right around here.
What?
My foot got stuck to the freaking paper and I'm over here kicking it like a dog. But you got the fall leaves here. This is probably going to work on next fall.
Next fall?
Yeah. Because I've already got so much going on right now. I got one I need to finish by February, but at this rate, it will never get done. But not too many 310s, honestly, for a black cat. She's got very little 310. The 310 is mainly the outline.
Yeah.
So I'm excited to work
and
on
in
it.
between
She's got color blocking in it. It's so like clear. It's beautiful. That's the tree.
Yep.
Fall leaves and everything.
We like it. We need to do one of these unboxings for a TSA soon. We need to get one.
Yeah, you've been saying that. But
No.
we don't have time. We can't. Not right now, anyways. But yeah, and the little bit of white goes in the stems and their whiskers. I believe white is the spoon, actually. What's this one? There's that one. And then there's some... Seven. Okay, that's white, and that's a cream. So whites are the sevens.
Oh.
And these are the creamy colors.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, but that one was Scaredy Cat
Yes.
by Jane. What was his name?
I don't know. Jeff Haney.
Jeff Haney.
It's interesting. It's a really good picture. I mean, I like it.
Here's what it'll look like when it's finished.
And you said this one is Amber's to work on.
I'm excited. That's the moon.
That's the moon. Quit mooning me. Oh.
That's the moon, and you got leaves, and then 2 kitty cats, and the jack-o'-lantern.
Yep. They look good.
thank you guys for watching,
Yes, thank you.
and we'll catch you later.
Yep. Rock on, y'all.
Toodles.